right, we're going to learn about cleaning up, and it's called What Would You Use to Clean Up? Our first is, the t-shirt is dirty. How can we get it clean? So we would put our t-shirt in the washing machine to get it clean. There are leaves all over the garden. What can we use to clean them up? We can use a rake to clean them up. Her face is dirty. What can we use to clean her face? We can use a washcloth to clean her face. The dishes are dirty. What can we use to clean them? We can use a dish brush to clean these plates. Milk has spilled all over the floor. What can we use to clean it up? We can use a mop to clean up the milk. The toilet is dirty. What can we use to clean it? We can use a toilet brush to clean the toilet. The rug is messy. What can we use to clean it? We can use a vacuum to clean our messy rug. Thanks for watching.